In this video, we're going to look into a new concept based on sets, or rather, subsets, or whatever you can call it. It's called as intervals as subsets of R, or intervals as subsets of the set real numbers. So one of the intervals is closed interval. So in this video, let us see what is a closed interval. All right, here is an example for the closed interval. It says let A and B be two given real numbers such that A is less than B. Then the set of all real numbers X such that X being greater than or equal to A and being less than or equal to B is called a closed interval and is denoted by open square bracket A comma B close square bracket. So as far as a closed interval is concerned, the most important thing is this and this. X, first of all, we are taking A and B to be any two given real numbers such that A is less than B. So say, for example, A will be -1 or B equal to 2. Okay, let's come to the examples in the later part of the video. But here, let me quickly try and explain the concept to you. So when you have that, the set of all real numbers X, all right, such that X, the set X of all real numbers is greater than or equal to A and less than or equal to B, that particular set is called as a closed interval. And how is it denoted? It is denoted by writing A comma B in closed square brackets, right? In under square brackets or inside square brackets. So this is called as a closed interval. Now let us look into an example. All right, here is an example. For example, let's consider that A and B is -1, 2, all right? So which is nothing but X belongs to R such that X is greater than or equal to -1 and less than or equal to 2 is the set of all real numbers lying between -1 and 2, including the endpoint. So -1 and 2 belong to the set. So clearly it is an infinite subset of R, right? Because X is all real numbers. I mean, real numbers can be anything. It can be, 1.1111122, any kind of decimal. So it definitely is an infinite set. So this is an example for closed interval. The main things that you have to really look into is that X is greater than or equal to -1 and less than or equal to 2. And at the same time, it is written between closed brackets. So when you write this, -1, 2, you need to read it as, okay, this is a closed interval. And then there exists a set in between -1 and 2, which is X, such that X is greater than or equal to -1 and less than or equal to 2. So that is how you read a closed interval, all right? So that ends this concept as well as this video. I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with more concepts based on sets. Well, to be specific, the next video is going to be on open interval. This was closed interval. Next is going to be open interval.